Dive into the magical world of mermaid art with Leonardo Ai, and let's create some truly enchanting images together. First, we'll open up Leonardo Ai and get straight to crafting our prompt. Think about the core elements you want for a classic mermaid. We'll start with something like a beautiful mermaid with long, flowing hair and shimmering scales. Now, let's add some artistic flair. Leonardo Ai offers incredible style options for a more fantastical look. Try selecting a fantasy art style if you prefer something more painterly. A digital art style could be perfect. To really bring our mermaid to life, let's get specific. We can refine our prompt by adding details about the scales, like iridescent scales that catch the light, or for the hair, long, flowing platinum blonde hair. The environment is key to an underwater scene. Let's add swimming in a vibrant coral reef, or perhaps surrounded by bioluminescent plankton for an ethereal glow. Once your prompt is detailed and your style is chosen, simply hit the Generate button. As you can see, Leonardo Ai can produce a stunning variety of mermaid images. Experiment with different poses like gracefully leaping, or resting on a rock. Try different lighting, such as moonlit or sun-drenched. Observe how Leonardo Ai renders the textures. Notice the way the light plays on the scales, creating that realistic shimmer, and the fluid movement in the hair. These details make all the difference. With a bit of experimentation and creative prompting, you can unlock the full potential of Leonardo Ai to create your own unique and breathtaking mermaid artwork. Happy creating!